on News 8.
Arctic Cat, share our passion.
The tribe turns on the nerd.
You disgust me.
New Survivor, CBS tonight.
It's Wednesday, November 9th, and the talk is live. The day's top talk.
There we go.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. The message you are hearing is live code test. Alert system capability. Test message. Cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instruction. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.